What's up, guys? Welcome to another day of my life, and today is another pre-vacation vlog because we're going to DR, and as you know, I'm doing all my luggage. Today will be about my luggage. I want to show you some of the clothes, the outfits that I got, and also I can take this time to fix my luggage a little bit because it's a little chaotic. So, and at the same time, I show you all the clothes that I have, what I like, what I don't like, and anything beyond. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me for more daily life with Diana and more my fun videos. So without further Alrighty, guys, so you guys already saw more or less, but I'm gonna show you exactly what are my favorite outfit, and starting with pants, all my dresses, my shirts. So before I start packing everything back and organizing it, because I don't want no wrinkles, and yeah, the days are coming, so I want to be ready and make sure this luggage is not over 50 pounds because I don't want to overpack and then have to take stuff out over there in the airport. So I have a bunch of shorts because, as you know, where I'm going is gonna be hot. So look at this. Look at this. I love it. This is one of my favorite. Well, all the shorts are my favorite, but the white one, oof, my favorite. 10 out of 10. This one, not too much. It's a jean. Mm, This one I like it for a daily, like a Monday or Tuesday going out. And this one is more like a beach vibe or resort. I don't know, you never know. This is a set. But yeah, I leave the blues over there, black. This one is like a regular one. Nah. So this one, so far, this one and the black and the white one, my favorite. Woo, I love it. They look so elegant, so nice. The material, look at this. Let me show you. So far, these two are my favorite. And look at the packets. And I'm pretty sure they fit me really good, really good. Can't wait to try them on. Also, I like this dress. And what else? Yeah, I have this dress. It looks so cute on me. This is one of my favorite dress. It's like a fresh, nice, tropical vibe. Wait. And in this nice body, it's gonna look amazing. The material is really soft and fresh, so and very colorful. It's stretchy in here, so it's short, which alrighty. When we talk about pants, I'm gonna go with these ones, which are, this. I love this color with a nice top, some sandals, maybe a hat, sunglasses. That's gonna be Miss Diana. So yeah, this is another one. And black, we never can miss on black because black match with everything. This is nice and fresh, stylish, stretchy. Yes, baby. I have my other videos about my swimsuit and my hats and all my accessories. So go check those videos because this is fire. Okay. And another dress which I love is this one. Look at this. Beautiful. And it's short. That can be for a night going out. I can probably match with a nice white under, something under. And it's really cute. I love it. maybe with heels, with sandals, whatever. Yes, this was one of my favorites. And now, when it comes to shirts, tops, I will go with the brightest color, which is this one. I have a mess over here. So, of course, I'm a tropical girl. I will go this with some shorts. Now you get in the picture? Yeah, that's how it is. Of course, we need white for any occasion. That can be under anything, and I can put a top or even use like that, because in my country it's really hot. We're not playing around. Look at this one, black. You never can miss black. And I have regular chairs for, in case I had to go in a deep hunting. Look at this bright pink, something nice, regular sport, you know. Yeah, so basically that's it. And now I'm gonna fix all this mess and let's go. Alrighty, now the luggage is semi fixed. That's basically like a prep setting, like a prep, because I will go back, and also I had to iron the clothes that has wrinkle, because I don't like to do it when I get to the yard. So I will fold it again, do it again, take things out. But this is just like a, like a pre-preparation. So I got my luggage halfway done. And yeah, I'm so excited, and I hope you guys like and enjoy the video. So actually, by doing this, I help myself fixing a little bit my luggage. And let me know in the comments if you're also going on vacation, and what country are you going, or any state. And yeah, so stay tuned for my other videos. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me for more Day in the Life with Diana. Bye!